Everybody. Today we are going to go over how to change the blade on a Ryobi P508 circular saw. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you where the blade lock is, and we want to make sure that we've de-energized it by removing the battery. So here on the back side, there's a little button that you push here, and you're going to push and hold that, and that is your blade lock. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up like that. We're going to go ahead and press this till this locks in. Get that locked in. Take a 14mm wrench, loosen that up, take that off. We set that down. There's a ring on the outside here that we're actually going to remove, and that allows us at this point to lift it up and pull our blade out. So we get our blade out. Take that out, go ahead and put our new blade in. So we get that in and track that correctly. Make sure we get set so the arrows going the right way. Set that back down. Put our lock pin back on. And this is not round, as you can see. You get to take that and put that back on the arbor. The shaft. You're going to spin that until it goes. And you're going to go ahead and start the screw. And this is reverse threads on these. So take that. Put that back down. Lock our blade in place. Change the blade and we're ready to try it out. And let's take it for a test spin. Make sure we get everything right. Put on our safety glasses. Pop the battery in. Get our little lock. We're all set, ready to cut some more wood. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.